If you don't know what type of channel to create, consider these ideas to find the option for you. These ideas will be relevant and popular in 2022, and for each idea you can find a way of monetization. Let's dive into the list. Planners. People love to learn how to get more organized and get things done. There are so many options to focus on. You can review different planning systems and teach how to make plans for literally every part of life. Show how to make and use a work planner, a household routine planner, a fitness planner, and plenty of others. How to study. It's useful for schoolers, students, and self-learners. Tell how to prepare for the exams, how to memorize more and better, how to read faster, and so on. Mommy channel. This theme is extremely broad. You can focus on moms themselves, self-care, postpartum recovery, healthy diet, home business, or on kids, nursing, breastfeeding, activities, education, or on life hacks for mothers of large families. The possibilities are endless. Fitness. Yes, there are tons of fitness videos and channels on YouTube. The trick is to niche down. Make videos for new moms or for those who don't have time for full workout. Be creative. Meal planning. It's a part of overall planners, yet can be a separate subject. Teach how to meal plan. Create meal plans for children, vegans, pregnant women, large families, and so on. Add recipes, prep videos, and PDF guides as a way of monetization. Organization. This one relates to planning, but it's more about getting things in order. People love to get ideas on how to organize workspace, papers and files, a closet, a room, photos, and many more. Give useful tips or show how you do it every day. How to grow on social media. With the extreme popularity of social media for building own brand, the demand for tips on growing social channels is sky high. Pick a certain social platform and delve into it, or share hacks that work for all networks. Home decor. It can be a DIY channel, tips on decorating different rooms, a review of pieces of decor from different brands, collections of certain aesthetics, and so on. Tech review. Nobody will buy a gadget without watching at least a few video reviews. If you are a tech geek or can simply explain difficult features, then start a review channel. Food. Make sure to focus on specific diet to find your audience. It can be vegan food, keto diet, gluten-free recipes, and so on. You can share recipes, make meal plans, create prep videos, whatever you want. Kids meal planning. It's a part of meal planning that can make for an entirely separate channel. You can vary in child's age, ingredients, budget, special dietary requirements, and so on. Cleaning. It sounds funny, but people really filming themselves clean. Others watch such videos to get motivation and learn how to make the cleaning routine easier. You can show how you clean a closet, a bathroom, a fridge, a car, a garage, well, anything that gets dirty. Gardening. Gardening is a passion for thousands of people. If it's your hobby too, or you have special knowledge, it's a good idea to share it with the target audience. Homeschool. Home education has become a trend and there are so many questions about it. You can not only create videos but sell courses or offer coaching sessions. Getting a job. Share tips on making an impressive CV and covering letter. Teach how to prepare for an interview, where to search for a dream job, or how to create a strong portfolio, or film your own job instead. People always want to know what's behind the scene. College-based. Here you can tell about college ranking, exams, studying, basically any theme that relates to a college student life will do. Meditation. This is one more area that is becoming popular among a large audience. Be a meditation guide for beginners. Teach how to breathe and relax. Create playlists with the calm meditation music. Travel ideas in your area. Even if you don't live in a tourist paradise, there are a lot of people interested in visiting your area. Shoot your city tour, show places that only locals know about, make reviews of local hotels, resorts, and places worth seeing. It's a nice opportunity because you can start from where you are without a budget. Hobby. This might be the best one. Share your experience and step-by-step tutorials. Showcase your works, review the tools you use, set up challenges. Eventually, you can make money on teaching others. Gaming tutorial. If you are a gamer, why not dedicate your channel to the games you play? Game streaming has a huge audience. All you need to start is just a screen recording software and a microphone. You don't even have to show your face, an option for introverts. Historic or cool facts. It doesn't even require any filming. Make compilations of interesting facts as a short slideshow or animation, add your voice or only plain text. Such videos usually have a high watch time and a large audience. Pet videos. Pets are humans' best friends, so it's a good idea to start a YouTube channel about your pets. First of all, everybody adores pets for their cuteness, and secondly, you have special knowledge about owning a pet and can share useful information with others. How to? Any tutorials, guides and life hacks can make up a channel that will blow up. People love watching tutorials, and as YouTube is the second large search engine, they first ask there how to do anything. Make sure to create useful content and learn YouTube SEO basics to get to the top of the search results. Apps and software tutorials. With tons of apps and software, it's quite difficult to find the one that you really need. And when you finally get it, it can turn out to be complicated to use. On the apps or software channel, you can make lists of helpful or useless programs of any category and show how they work. Whole video. You do shopping almost every day, so make double use of it. Show what you got in a shopping mall or online store and give recommendations. You can turn each trip to a store into a whole video. Groceries, bookstore, dollar store. Tell why you buy an item and how good or bad it is. Transformation. People love to watch videos of anything that transformed into something better. You can stick to a specific niche, home decor or makeup, which is kind of transformation too, or make videos about any transformation at all. Thrift flip. These videos are very popular and have a high watch time. You can make it about clothes, decor, furniture, try to keep within a budget or make it eco-friendly. Beauty. This theme is likely to be popular forever. Create makeup tutorials, share beauty tips and hacks, make reviews of beauty products, show your experience and taste, give useful advice, connect with the audience, and the channel will skyrocket. Weight loss. Show how you pursue your goal and inspire others. Record your workouts and meal plan. Tell about your failures and motivation. Share your experience on this challenging journey. Movie and book reviews. Simple and valuable. Review the latest releases. Give your point of view to help your audience make a decision. Share useful information from the books and create lists. Drone channel. Aerial videos are breathtakingly beautiful and attract viewers. Add more value by shooting wildlife and places where no food may tread. Don't forget to add epic music to make your video captivating and exciting. Check out this awesome epic track I put in the description. Mental health. Millions of people experience stress every day, A channel teaching how to deal with daily pressure and relief from anxiety can become a helping hand. Finance. If you have enough experience in financial sphere, you can share your advice on money making, saving money, investments, and so on. Become an influential expert and earn on coaching. Languages. If you're a teacher or have an excellent command of any language, even of your own, then start an education channel. Explain difficult things in simple words, give poppy examples, develop your own educating system. Pick an idea that will work for you or use this list as a reference to find your niche. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Only those who do nothing make no mistakes. If you are looking for great and unique music for your videos, visit taketowns.com. You'll find tons of awesome music, and each track has 15, 30 and 60-second versions as well as loops, which is super convenient. Also, make sure to check out the cool video effects. See you later.